End-to-end integrated supply chain management tool is a cloud-based automation tool which includes product portfolio management, which has demand forecast analysis, commodity management, standard cost generation, and bill of material costing. This product portfolio management is integrated with the procurement tool, which collects demand information, cost information, on-hand quantity information, purchase order information, lead time, and minimum order quantity. With all these information, procurement tool will be helpful to plan the material supply plan. It has the capability to analyze the actual supply versus the supply plan. This tool ensures that the material is received on time so that lean inventory level is maintained to avoid excess or shortage scenario. Procurement tool is very well supported by the logistics management tool, which covers the logistics cost and tracks the inbound and outbound. Our inventory management tool tracks and updates the inventory status of all the materials moved in and moved out. It provides the detailed 360-degree view of each part number. The end-to-end integrated supply chain management tool demo. It is a smart cloud-based automation which connects various supply chain domain like commodity management, procurement management, logistics management, and inventory management. When we log in the home page we can see major supply chain topics covered in the tool. Product portfolio management, which covers the commodity management quoting process, business allocation, and standard cost finalization along with the BOM costing. In dashboard, one can view the reports related to RFQ status for both direct and indirect materials. In supplier contact page, a new supplier contact can be added, which would automatically generate an access for the supplier to view their RFQ and ability to submit the quote. In demand analysis page we can view the BOM level demand, open PO, and on-hand quantity information. In create RFQ page, user can select the part number and initiate the global and regional RFQ in the tool. This tool has an advanced filter option which would enable the user to easily filter the data as per their requirement. Once the RFQ is initiated, an automated email will be sent to the supplier to review the RFQ and submit the quote. A supplier can view the RFQ in the quoting portal page and submit the quote for the RFQ. They have option to submit the quote in the UI and also have the capability to download the data into Excel, fill the quote, and upload it back into the system. Once the quote is updated, then the commodity manager gets an email to analyze the quote and confirm the business allocation in the quote analysis page. This page has a smart AI feature which has the capability to analyze the quote, demand, MOQ, lead time, previous quarter quote details, life cycle phase, and suggest a business allocation. Commodity manager can accept it or overwrite it. Based on the business allocation, standard cost will be generated and will be used for the BOM costing in the BOM costing page. The procurement management tool can analyze the current inventory, in-transit details, supply plan, PO details, safety stock details, and predicts the shortage or excess or within the safety stock level situation. It can also analyze the on-time delivery of the supplier. It provides a detailed dynamic table which covers the running on-hand information of a part number. In the dashboard, this tool can give an instant report about the PO details, shipment mode summary, demand variations, on-hand changes, buyer summary, and on-time delivery information. Logistics quote management system covers the quote management process of each shipment. It has the capability to get the quote and compare the quotes between third-party logistics provider. This tool has the dynamic tracker for inbound and outbound logistics. The dashboard covers the information about shipment type, shipment modes, origin countries, destination countries, quarter-over-quarter details, and the list of supplier information related to logistics. Access to third-party logistics provider can be created once the contact information is updated in the supplier contact page. A shipment RFQ can be initiated from the Create RFQ page where the basic information like part details, package dimension, weight, origin point and destination point information will be updated. Once created, then an automated email will be sent to the third-party logistics provider to review the RFQ and submit the quote in quoting portal page. The quote details includes the shipment charges, origin charges, destination charges, and custom brokerage. The submitted quote can be compared and finalized by the logistics expert in the quote analysis page. This page helps the expert to review and approve the third-party logistics provider. Once decided, the shipment can be initiated in the price engine page after uploading the invoice and packing list details. This tool will also collect information and provides a dynamic status of each inbound and outbound shipments. Lastly, we have the inventory management tool which provides a detailed view of the inventory status. Right from the A, B, C classification of the inventory based on the spend, inventory count, its spend, scrap value, non-moving stock details, and the excess or shortage summary. The best feature of this tool is the CPN 360-degree, where one can view the entire situation of a single part number. It gives the historical information, current scenario, and the future plan of the part number. It gives the information related to safety stock value, lead time, MOQ, revision details, lifecycle phase changes, where used details, qualification status, forecast details, inventory stock count based on the revision, consumption details, running on hand, shortage or excess summary, and standard cost details. Overall, end-to-end integrated supply chain management tool integrates all the major supply chain process. The benefits are as follows. Reduces additional costs through waste elimination. Improved visibility across the entire supply chain. Enhanced collaboration between stakeholders. Optimized inventory management. Increased customer satisfaction. Allowing businesses to operate more efficiently and effectively. Thank you for spending your valuable time in looking into our end-to-end integrated supply chain management tool.